Hi, hello friends. Today we will discuss about cloud jargons.
Cloud terminology from A to Z. AWS GovCloud. AWS GovCloud US Billing and Payment. AWS GovCloud, an isolated data center region of the Amazon Web Services AWS Cloud specifically designed to meet stringent requirements as defined by the U.S. government. Was this cloud service, U.S. citizens can run sensitive workloads that conform to strict regulatory standards. AWS GovCloud, such as the Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program FedRAMP, the International Traffic in Arms Regulations (ITAR), and the Department of Defense DoD Cloud Computing Security Requirements Guide (SRG) Levels 2 and 4. The AWS GovCloud grants access to U.S. citizens who comply with export regulations and laws and are not subject to export restrictions. The Artificial Intelligence as a Service. Artificial Intelligence as a Service (AIaaS), a third-party offering of artificial intelligence AI outsourcing that enables organizations and individuals to experiment with language, vision and speech understanding capabilities without a huge initial investment and with lower risk. Artificial Intelligence as a Service (AIaaS) AI typically involves a vast range of algorithms that allow computers to solve complex tasks by generalizing over data. AI as a service allows users to upload data, run complex models in the cloud and receive results via a cloud platform or API, significantly reducing development time while improving the time to value. What is AWS EC2 autoscaling? Why do I need it? When do I use it? Autoscaling. Autoscaling, a cloud computing feature that automatically scales up or down the number of computing resources being allocated to your application based on its computing requirements at any given moment. Autoscaling. Autoscaling ensures that new instances are continuously increased during demand spikes or reduced during demand drops, guaranteeing lowered costs and consistent performance. Autoscaling. Services like the AWS Autoscaling service allows end users to configure one unified scaling policy per application source, like a set of resource tags for an AWS CloudFormation stack. Everything you wanted to know about Amazon Web Services AWS vertical line by Amazon Web Services AWS. Amazon Web Services AWS, the suite of cloud computing services offered by Amazon. Their services span IaaS, PaaS and SaaS models of cloud computing. Popular AWS services include Amazon S3, Amazon Elastic Beanstalk and Amazon EC2. API Application Programming Interface is a technical interface. Application Programming Interface API Application Programming Interface API, an interface that enables users to access information from other services or applications and integrate this information into their own application. The access is granted via a set of defined requests, routines and protocols. APIs have become essential tools for building software, building solutions for high availability using availability zones. Availability zones. Availability zones are data center locations isolated from each other as a safeguard against unexpected outages leading to downtime. The zones are typically geographically distinct. Businesses can opt to have one or multiple availability zones globally depending on their specific needs. Backend as a service, BDaaS. Backend as a service, a cloud computing model where mobile developers are provided with the tools and services they require to create a cloud backend for their applications. Backend as a service. Using Backend as a service, developers can link their apps to backend cloud storage while leveraging features such as push notifications, user management and integration with social media. The service is made available via custom application programming interfaces (APIs) and software development kits (SDKs). What is Cloud Application? Quora. Cloud Application. Cloud Application, an external service or program residing on the cloud or hosted by third-party computers. It facilitates remote computing by simulating some of the characteristics of remote desktop applications. Cloud Application. Cloud apps are accessible via web browser and don't consume storage space on a user's computer. Examples include Google Drive and Dropbox, which allows users to edit, store, and share files, images and links. Big Data as a Service BDaaS benefits. Big Data as a Service BDaaS. The delivery of information or statistical analysis tools by an outside vendor that helps organizations understand and utilize insights gotten from large information sets in order to attain a competitive advantage. Big Data as a Service BDaaS. Big data lies within its broad definition of using high-velocity, volume, and variety data sets that are difficult to manage and extract value from. Organizations investigating big data regularly recognize that they don't have the capacity to store and process it adequately. As a result of the big data trend, enterprises can turn to big data as a service BDaaS solutions to bridge the processing and storage gaps.